I have been secretive for a long time, but God doesn't want me to be able to cover my need anymore, for which I am sad and afraid. Now listen, knights, if I need or deserve anything, I assure you of this, I have lost,
and that shames me,
that which makes one most merry, and I don't dare say who took it from me. I have indeed a sincere heart, for I admit such an awkward thing. But I am in such a hurry to tell that which I lament, because I want post-haste to relieve all husbands from the fright, the grief and the worry, because of which they look at me askance. Although I act pleasant and gallant, I am in fact emaciated and feral, a coward both unarmed or with a breastplate. And I am leprous and stinking, a base and stingy host, the worst warrior of us all. He is an obvious fool, whoever is bothered if I court. Why ever does he drive me away from her, his wife? For harm doesn't come to him if my doubled wretched sighs are even greater. For even if I were not deprived of that because of which one tears his beard away, I have so much more to preen myself about. I have further bad habits galore, so that no lady in her good mind would think I'm worth a farthing. And if my singing is tolerated, I'll sing, for I don't give up yet. Every husband has a pimple on his snout if he gets angry. If I wish to cover with gaiety this all-pervading grief of mine, I have offered and given myself to ladies, and it is a source of joy. If I never have power to add to it while in bed, I am nourished merely by desiring and seeing, since I ask for nothing else. Let the Countess of Antrosia agree to hear my thorough joy.